Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question as old as time itself. Can money actually buy happiness? We've all heard the saying, money can't buy happiness. But is it just a comforting lie we tell ourselves when our bank accounts are looking a little thin? Get ready, because the answer is way more complicated and fascinating than you think. Let's start with the good stuff. Money does play a role in our overall well-being, and it's not just about bragging rights or fancy cars, it works indirectly. First up, stress reduction. Think about it. Financial stress is a major happiness killer. When you're constantly worried about making rent or putting food on the table, it's tough to feel joy. Money buys security, and that freedom from worry is a huge happiness booster. Next, we've got control. Financial freedom is all about choices. You can choose where you live, what you do with your time, and how you spend your energy. That sense of control over your life is incredibly empowering and significantly increases your life satisfaction. And finally, this is where it gets really interesting. Experiences. Research consistently shows that spending money on experiences, travel, concerts, learning a new skill, spending time with loved ones, brings far more lasting happiness than buying material possessions. That new phone might be cool for a week, but the memories you make on that epic road trip will stay with you forever. Okay, so money can help, but why doesn't it guarantee happiness? This is where the wheels can fall off the wagon. The first problem is rising expectations. As you make more money, your desires tend to grow right along with it. That means your satisfaction plateaus. You get that bigger house, but now you want a bigger house. It's a never-ending cycle. Then there's the issue of focusing on the wrong things. Chasing wealth can be all-consuming. It can lead to burnout, less time with family and friends, and a focus on status symbols rather than genuine connection. You might have a fancy car, but are you truly fulfilled? And perhaps most importantly, money can't fulfill our deeper needs. Things like love, belonging, purpose, and self-worth. These are the foundation of true contentment, and no amount of money can replace them. So where does that leave us? Well, it's complicated. Research suggests that for people who are struggling, more money does help, up to a point. Some studies suggest around $100,000 a year. It eases unhappiness by providing security and meeting basic needs, but beyond that, the returns diminish rapidly.